Whole game, Bobby.
As long as you go out with a bang, nerd. As long as you go out with a bang. If you losing that, as long as you go out with a bang, man.
Say, act like you about to get jumped at the face-off.
Hold up. We can't hold on.
It's a challenge some of my mom's cooking.
Hold on. Who told you to somebody asked you would you pretend to get jumped at the face-off?
Coach wanted me to act like I was gonna get jumped at the face-off, my nigga.
And when you say like, coach, we talking about ratchet TV.
Of course, he the only coach.
Okay.
He the only one running plays on niggas, man.
You know some of my mama's cooking.
Of course, he the only coach.
Okay.
He the only one running plays on niggas, man. Of course, he the only coach.
Okay.
He the only one running plays on niggas, man.
I know what we talking about.
Coach wanted me to act like I was gonna get lined up, jumped after the weigh-in in the parking lot. But I refused to go along with that shit because I told him like the way that was nigga was trying to make me look like I'm some bitch ass nigga or something. So I ain't go with that shit. I ain't slide on that. We get to the motherfucking a day before the event. Mind you, this nigga running storylines. He running storylines after storyline that we gonna get lined up.
Tell us about them storylines. And before that, tell us about some of them storylines that he did leading up to this shit. Like, what was going on?
Well, leading up to the event, we was gonna make it look like we gonna get lined up. We gonna do two. He did a skit off of IG, and then he did a whole thing on YouTube, so we can make it look like they trying to line us up. And then when I go to the event, the reason I don't go is because I get called by a police who contacted a confidential informant. This is what the coach said. I'm going.
As long as you go out with a bang, nerd. As long as you go out with a bang. If you losing that, as long as you go out with a bang, man.